I'm Ma'am Mitch. For today's topic, we will learn about dividing fractions. Milk-based. Learning goal. Divide simple fractions and mixed fractions. Steps in dividing simple fractions and mixed numbers. Step 1. Convert each mixed number to improper fraction. Step 2. Change the division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. Step 3. Use cancellation method if possible. Step 4. Multiply the numerators and then the denominators. Step 5. Simplify or write the product in lowest terms if possible. Example number 1. 3/7 divided by 3/5. Ang 3/7 at 3/5 ay parehong simple fractions. To get the quotient, we have Step 1. Change the division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, kopyahin natin ang 3/7. Yung divide, magiging times. And then, yung reciprocal is the multiplicative inverse or baliktarin lang po ang 3/5. So, magiging 5/3. Step 2. Use cancellation method if possible. So, i-cross-check po natin ang mga magkaka-pair. We have 3, parehong 3, and then yung 7 at 5. So, alin po dyan ang makakancel? Yes, we have 3. Pwede silang i-cancel. So, kapag ganyan na pareho lang yung number, i-cancel po natin, papalitan lang po ng 1. Kasi dinivide lang po natin sila sa kanilang sarili or GCF. Step 3. Multiply the numerators and then the denominators. 1 times 5 equals 5. 7 times 1 equals 7. Step 4. Simplify or write the product in lowest terms if possible. So, yung sagot natin ay 5/7. Kung i-analyze natin, ang 5 is a prime number. And then yung 7 is another prime number. So, wala na po silang GCF. Therefore, our quotient is 5/7. Example number 2. 8/9 divided by 4. Ang simple fraction natin ay 8/9 and then yung 4 ay whole number. Step 1. Change the division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, kopyahin ulit natin ang ating dividend, 8/9. Yung divide magiging times. And then, yung whole number na 4, yan po yung 4/1 kapag ginawang fraction. So, ang reciprocal niya ay 1/4. Binaliktad lang po natin yung 4/1, kaya naging 1/4. Step 2. Use cancellation method if possible. I-cross-check po natin kung meron tayong makakancel. Yes, ang 8 at 4 ay pwedeng i-cancel. Using continuous division, ang kanilang GCF ay 4. So, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Yung 9 at 1 naman, hindi na po yan makakancel kasi wala silang GCF. Step 3. Multiply the numerators and then the denominators. 2 times 1 equals 2. 9 times 1 equals 9. Step 4. Simplify or write the product in lowest terms if possible. So, i-analyze natin. Ang 2 at 9 ay parehong prime numbers. Wala na silang GCF. Therefore, ang ating quotient ay 2/9. Example number 3. 16 divided by 2 and 1/5. Ang 16 ay whole number. Ang 2 and 1/5 ay mixed number. Step 1. Convert each mixed number to improper fraction. Using the rule denominator times whole number plus numerator over denominator, i-multiply natin ang denominator at ang whole number. So, 5 times 2. Then, plus 1, yun yung numerator, equals 11. Then, copy the denominator. So, makikita natin yung 16, ginawa natin 16/1 para maging fraction, and then, yung improper fraction ng 2 and 1/5 ay 11/5. Step 2. Change the division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. Yung 16/1, kinopya lang po natin, and then yung divide, naging times. And then yung 11/5, ang reciprocal niya ay 5/11. Binaliktad lang po natin. Step 3. Use cancellation method if possible. I-cross-check po natin kung meron tayong makakancel. Ang 1 at 5 ay parehong prime number, so wala silang GCF. Ang 16 at 11 ay hindi rin po makakancel. Step 4. Multiply the numerators and then the denominators. 16 times 5 equals 80. 1 times 11 equals 11. So, mapapansin natin, malaki po yung mga numbers kasi wala tayong na-cancel. So, yun yung advantage ng cancellation method. Kapag meron tayong makakancel, mag-cancel po tayo para maliit na lang or wala na po tayong ilo-lowest term. So, dito wala tayong na-cancel. Mapapansin natin na malaki ang ating mga numbers na ilo-lowest term. So, step 5. Simplify or write the product in lowest terms if possible. So, ang 80/11 ay improper fraction. So, gamitin natin ang long division. 80 divided by 11 equals 7. And 11 times 7 equals 77. Then, subtract natin 80 minus 77 equals 3. So, the mixed number or lowest term of 80/11 is 7 and 3/11. That is our quotient. Example number 4. 2 and 1/2 divided by 1 and 1/4. Ang 2 and 1/2 at 1 and 1/4 ay parehong mixed numbers. Step 1. Convert each mixed number to improper fraction. Using the rule, denominator times whole number plus numerator over denominator, i-multiply natin ang denominator at whole number. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, numerator. We have 5, then copy the denominator, 5/2. Next one, 4 times 1, 4, plus 1, 5/4. Ang improper fraction ng 2 and 1/2 ay 5/2. And then yung 1 and 1/4 naging 5/4. Step 2. Change the division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. Kopyahin lang natin ang 5/2, yung division or divide naging times. Yung 5/4, i-reciprocal natin or baliktarin natin, naging 4/5. Step 3. Use cancellation method if possible. So, mag-cross-check tayo. Ang 5 ay pwedeng i-cancel. So, gaya kanina, I-divide lang natin sa kanilang sarili, kaya magiging 1. Pwede rin ang 2 at 4. Using continuous division, ang kanilang GCF ay 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Step 4. Multiply the numerators and then the denominators. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 1 equals 1. Step 5. Simplify or write the product in lowest terms if possible. So, yung 2 over 1 ay pareho din sa 2 divided by 1. So, i-divide lang natin. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. So, the quotient is 2.